Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is going to be a little bit of an introduction series, I guess you'd call it. Yeah, let's just call it a series. As you guys know, I am a big fountain pen user. Like I showcased this one here before on actually two of my videos, and we got my TWSBI Mini. I have my TWSBI Mini. I've got my here. Where's my Mini? Right here. I got the TWSBI Mini here. I got the TWSBI Eco. You know, and as you guys know, these pens are actually you know, a little different than normal pens. So I walked into my neighborhood stationery store, I guess you'd call it. Here in Canada it's actually called Staples. And I walked in there and I was looking through the pen aisle and the pencil aisle, and I came across the pencil section, and I'm looking at the pegboard and I'm going, holy crap, look at all these mechanical pencils they got over here. You know, when I was a kid, I had one. I actually never did call it a pencil pen, a mechanical pencil. I actually call them a pencil pen because they relate so much to an actual pen, but instead of writing with ink, it actually had lead. And I had a really nice one back in the day. You know, I don't really quite remember what actually happened to that pencil pen. So that was something that I really was thinking about. I actually thought about this for a while, and you know I would like to get myself into a mechanical pencil and things like that. And you know, in previous years I'd walk into the Staples store, and you really didn't see very many mechanical pencils there at all until recently. I was there and I'm looking at the pegboard and I go, holy moly, so many mechanical pencils they got here. They have multi-packs, like a pack of 10s, and like they had really big packs, and they weren't really expensive either. So I'm looking and I actually saw these four, pardon me, I got 4 here, not 3. So I started looking at them and go, holy crap, this one's nice, and this one's nice. This costs this much? Well, that's pretty cheap. And so what happened is I actually ended up getting 4 packs here. So I started thinking, well, what is the difference between a 0.7 millimeter, which is this one here? Obviously I know it's the thickness of the lead, right? So this one there is actually a thicker lead. And then I also got a 0.5, which is, this one here is a 0.5 millimeter, right? So I started looking at both of these and I started, so is that just lead thickness and that's all it does? Or does this actually apply to with fountain pens, where you can get an extra fine nib, a fine nib, a medium nib, and a stub nib, right? So I'm actually talking about the thickness of the line that the actual nib writes on paper, right? So I started thinking to myself, I go, well, does the 0.7 and the 0.5 actually write 2 different sizes of lines? I don't know that, right? So I'm going to discover all this all together with you guys as well. This is going to be an introduction into the world of mechanical pencils on my channel. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this, and let's discover this world together. So basically what's going to happen here is I'm probably not going to open all this up at once. I may open up 2 of them and save the other 2 for maybe a different video. I'm going to compare it. So basically I'm going to do a little bit of review. I'm actually going to do some actual live writing demonstrations and see the difference in how the lead actually writes on the paper. I'm going to explore the different methods and on how do you actually load these pens, because I remember that some of them you actually got to load them from the front through here, right? And there's other ones where the cap comes off. Of course, you got an eraser on here, which I know this has an eraser. I know that one's got an eraser. This one here, I'm not sure if it's got an eraser on because I don't see no extra erasers. And this one here, I'm not sure if it's got an eraser because I don't see no extra erasers on that one either. So does the top, I've seen somewhere you take the top off, you get the eraser actually comes out. You load your leads through the top here. Right, and I've also seen where the eraser is, there's also almost like an unclogging tool, almost like a needle where you can actually take an insert from the front over here, so to kind of unclog it. So we're going to experience this roll together and see how this goes. So this is just a basic introduction into mechanical pencils. If you guys are curious about this type of stuff, and if there are other type of mechanical pencils that you guys would like me to unbox and review of some sorts, or if there's any other websites, online websites where I can actually purchase more of these mechanical pencils, don't be afraid to put them down in the comments, because I would actually like to know. Yeah, so that's basically an introduction to the world of mechanical pencils. I'm also going to be buying different types of leads, which I've got a pack here, which is actually the same type as this one over here. I noticed there were other leads there as well, which is something that I'm going to be getting as well. They're inexpensive, so they're pretty much within my, I guess you call, budget, right? Because some of you guys know, and probably some of you guys do not know, that I don't get no money off of YouTube as of yet. So all these products that I bring before you guys, it's actually coming out of my own hard-earned cash, out of my full-time job. So that's one of the reasons why, for the lack of videos that I have been putting up lately, because of that. That's the main reason why. So yeah, so that's pretty much an introduction into what I'm planning on doing here. If you guys, like I say, if you guys want me to review other type of mechanical pencils, please leave them in the comments below, and I will try my best to actually pick up the pencil and give you guys an unbox experience. You know, I'll give you guys my my review on them, and we'll go from there. So that's pretty much it for this introduction here. The next video that you'll be seeing on the world of mechanical pencils is I will be unboxing both of these packs here. Okay, so these are going to be the 2 first ones you guys are going to see, and then afterwards, the next video after that will be these 2 over here that you guys are going to get to see. And then there'll be one other video with all this open, and I'm going to compare all of them across the board, and I'm going to tell you guys which mechanical pencil that I actually enjoy using, which one writes the best, which one is the easiest to load, and so forth and so forth. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos on the world of mechanical pencils, please subscribe, because there's going to be more coming. And until the next video, goodbye.